Hi guys, it's me again, and this right here is a little pipe wrench I bought for $5. Here, very small, it says Oxwool, West Germany right there. Not sure if you guys can see that. So it is made in Germany, and it appears to be in good shape. The wheel's a bit sticky, so it's a perfect candidate for a quick and easy restoration project. So let's get started. To remove the dirt and corrosion from the little pipe wrench, I'm using a wire wheel mounted on my Makita drill. Set the drill to the high speed setting for this, and it removes the rust pretty quickly. The angle grinder would work too, but it's a bit too big for a small part like this. So after wire wheeling, the wrench now moves smoothly, and because there were some specks of red paint, I think the original color was red, so now let's get ready to paint it. Now I just applied some masking tape to the jaw and other parts that do not need to be painted. And then after that, I'm going to spray paint the wrench. In terms of paint, I just sprayed on a few coats of some red self-priming spray paint that's meant for metal. Okay, so I've waited a few hours for the paint to dry. It's self-priming paint and it dries pretty quick, and now it looks pretty nice. Let's just reassemble the wrench. It's got this little nut and then the main jaw part. And after being reassembled, it actually is pretty nice looking. It's very small though. Just for comparison, here's the mini wrench. Here's a standard rigid 18-inch wrench. It's a very popular size, popular among plumbers everywhere. And here's the tiny one. So obviously it's pretty small, but might come in handy. I mean, judging by its small size, it's probably great for small pipes, I guess. And I just hope you guys enjoyed yet another restoration video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and see you on next time.